G'day everybody, it's Woz here, and today I'm at Capalaba Skate Park, and I'm here to share my thoughts and opinions on how to perform the backside rock and roll. The backside rock and roll is an intermediate transition trick. Some tricks that you will need to know before attempting this trick are the backside kick turn and the rock 2 fakie. Like any skateboarding trick, you will want to have your feet in the correct position. I like to place my leading foot over the front deck bolts and my back foot centered over the tail in a comfortable position. You will want to attack this trick with confidence and speed. The secret to this trick is all in your shoulders and hips. Always remember the golden rule of skateboarding. Wherever your shoulders are facing, your hips and legs will follow. Roll up the transition of the ramp. Lift your front wheels up over the coping and land your skateboard in the rock position. At the same time, you will want to rotate your shoulders and hips in the opposite direction of your re-entry into the ramp. This preloaded twisting motion will give you and your skateboard extra momentum when you perform the roll or the re-entry back into the transition of the ramp. Push down on the tail of your skateboard, which will allow you and your front wheels to clear the coping of the ramp. At the same time, rotate your shoulders and hips in a 180-degree backside kick turn motion. As you and your skateboard land back into the transition of the ramp, evenly distribute your body weight and roll away. If you followed these steps correctly, you should be now on your way to performing the backside rock and roll on transition. If there are any tricks that you would like me to cover in future videos, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like or a share. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. With your ongoing support, we can grow our community and this channel. I truly appreciate you spending this time with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.